been waiting for like 2 hours for a train to actually be slow enough for us to get on. This is our like 5th or 6th train now that we've been waiting for, and we finally got it. So we're gonna go do some shit on this. Let's go. It's so fast. Oh my god. This man. He's on! I don't know if I could get on. That's fucked. Holy shit, when you were like hanging on to it. See how fast it was? Yeah. My phone fell out of my pocket. Oh fuck, really? Oh shit! Bro, like inches away from fucking getting destroyed. It looks so slow, but it's going so fucking fast. I know. Yo, getting up on that? Oh my god. You wanna go? Alright. Here, go. You're gonna need a long run up. It's so fast, right? Yeah. Go, 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 fast. You need a long run up. Oh, he did it! He did it! Looks more like an animal path. Definitely. You don't have to come through. All right. At least we checked it out. There's a computer? Yeah. Bruh. What the fuck? Someone just dumped a whole lot of shit here. It's a chisel. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Is that? What is that? What the fuck? Witchcraft? Oracles and magic among the Azande? Try to open it. Okay, this guy's fucking crazy. This is fucked. I feel like I'm in a fucking movie, bro. The place we're just chilling, we find a book about witchcraft. Yeah, a random laptop, some garbage. We're in the fucking, what's it called? The Blair Witch Project movie right now. Look at that. Yo, Toshiba. You want to smash it? What is this? What the fuck pills? Rush. Pills? Pills about? Take a whiff. What the fuck? What is it? Xanax? Let's say it on. Eat it, bro. 220. Okay, that's fucked. I don't know what that 220 sound means, but see if I can get a close up on that. 220. Oh, a journal. All right, people research. What the fuck? Someone's diary. Day one. Day one of living by myself in the forest. Ah, fuck, none of this shit will open.
Ugh.
There's no writing on any of them.
Well, maybe because it's been
so
in there.
slimy.
Mmm.
That's fucking weird.
We hit the jackpot, bro! What is that? Is that tomato sauce?
It looks like some guy trying to get rid of his identity.
Ew.
Just a bunch of shit.
Cooler right there.
This guy's a fucking witch, bro. The way of a mage. This guy was trying to learn witchcraft. This guy was satanic, bro.
He literally. Okay, that's.
Oh my god. This guy was possessed by a demon. You see that?
Yeah.
Look at this.
And then he tried to throw it all away because he went too far. Went into the rabbit hole, man. What the fuck? This is his own painting.
What did we just come upon, bro?
Holy shit.
Guys. This is fucking real.
They probably watched all his fucking Blair Witch Project movies and shit. Bye-bye, man.
Oh, this is poo-poo pee-pee, man. That's the thing, bro.
Really?
That's poo-poo pee. Yeah, that's poo-poo pee-pee.
Oh, yeah, because it's like photoshopped, right?
Yeah.
Poo-poo pee-pee, man.
Jewelry?
Or is it a toonie? I don't know. Shit gets you, man.
Get this picture of this jewelry.
Shit gets you, man. When you're living on your own in the forest, bro, you start to do crazy shit.
Yo! Look at this shit. These are old coins.
Wait. Let me see that. Can I zoom in?
Look at this.
Some old American coin.
What if this shit was cursed? And the guy's trying to get rid of it.
It makes sense.
You don't do this kind of shit, bro. Look, there's a whole fucking cooler that he filled up with shit,
Yeah.
and he dumped it for a reason.
This guy's crazy, bro.
That's for vapes.
Yeah, wait. I would cough.
Those are coils. No,
Yeah.
don't take anything from here, bro. It's probably all cursed. Here's another journal. This is fucking shit from the movies, bro.
Literally, we're gonna die.
This is what happens in movies. Okay, how much footage do you have left?
20 seconds.
Okay, stop it.
Oh, fuck.
Why did you tell us to go through these bushes?
Bro, I don't know. Oh, what the fuck am I going?
You fucking did it.
Back to civilization, man.